In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest on Monday.com in just 5 minutes. This straightforward guide will walk you through each step to ensure that you can efficiently invite external collaborators to your projects on Monday.com, making teamwork even easier and more inclusive. The initial step is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the Monday.com homepage. For those of you who might be new to Monday.com, it's a dynamic project management tool that enables teams to effectively organize and track their workflow. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an array of options, but for now, let's focus on getting you set up with inviting a guest. Next, you're going to want to select a project. Think about where you need your guest's input. Perhaps it's a specific project or task that requires their expertise. Browse through your list of projects and select the one that you wish to invite your guest to. Remember, the project you choose should be relevant to the work your guest will be involved in, as this will help streamline collaboration and ensure everyone is on the same page. After you've selected the appropriate project, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see an invite button. This button is your gateway to bringing new collaborators into your project. Clicking on it will take you to a section where you can manage your project's members and invitations. This is where things get a bit more personalized. You'll be presented with the option to search for a person by name or email, or to invite a new member directly via email. If you're looking to add someone who's already a part of your Monday.com workspace but not yet a member of this specific project, simply type in their name or email address in the search bar, and they should pop right up. If, however, the guest you're looking to add is new to your Monday.com environment, then you'll want to click on the Invite a New Member by Email option. This allows you to send an invitation directly to their email inbox, granting them access to collaborate on your project. Inviting someone by email is a particularly useful feature as it ensures that even those outside of your immediate team or organization can contribute to your projects. It's important to ensure that your guest understands how Monday.com works and what is expected of them within the project. A good practice is to accompany your invitation with a brief message or email detailing the project and their expected contributions. This not only sets clear expectations, but also makes your guest feel welcomed and valued right from the start. When entering their email, double-check for accuracy to ensure the invitation goes through without a hitch. An incorrect email address could delay your project's progress and lead to confusion. After sending the invite, it's a good idea to follow up with your guest to confirm they've received it and don't need any assistance getting started. Adding a guest to your project on Monday.com is not only about increasing the number of hands on deck, but also about enhancing your project with diverse perspectives and expertise. By carefully selecting guests to invite to your projects, you can enrich the collaborative process, leading to more innovative solutions and streamlined execution. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to adding a guest to your projects on Monday.com. Remember, effective collaboration is the key to any successful project, and by inviting guests to contribute, you're amplifying your team's capabilities and potential. So go ahead, extend those invites, and take your projects to the next level with the invaluable insights and contributions of your guests. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.